You move Kobe in the back because he might fall, ha? Move in the front. Oh, sige na. That's okay na. Kobe, be careful, ha?
It's so fast. See this?
Oh, enough na, enough na.